Hello everyone, I'm Monica Rana. This is Jago Himachal 365 Dar ke nahi datke and you're watching Hillquest News channel. Let's start with the headline. India witnesses the lowest COVID deaths in 2 months. Eyebrows raised as Bharadwaj made in charge for Jubbal Kootkhai Bipole. Cosmetic firms at Himachal told to stop operation. Nepalis thrashed to death at Thiong, body cremated secretly. Arshia wins laurels in under 10 chess. Chalked severe lines a nuisance in Hamirpur. 2 women die as debris fall on them in Shimla district. Calcutta High Court to hear on June 24 Mamta's petition challenging Subhendu's election from Nandigram. Petrol crosses rupees 103 in Mumbai, rupees 100 in 4 other streets. Ghaziabad police sent notice to Twitter India MD, ask him to join probe in Uttar Pradesh assault case. Now news in detail. India witnesses lowest COVID deaths in 2 months. With 62,480 new coronavirus infections being reported in a day, India's total tally of COVID cases rose to 2,97,62,793, while the death toll climbed to 3,83,490 with 1,587 fatalities, the lowest in 61 days, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Friday. The active cases have fallen below 8 lakh after 73 days and the national COVID recovery rate has crossed 96%. The active cases have declined to 7,98,656, comprising 2.68% of the total infections, while the national COVID recovery rate has improved to 96.03%. Eyebrows raised at Bharadwaj made in charge for Jubbal Kootkhai Bipole. Even as a threat of undercutting haunts both BJP and Congress, the appointment of Urban Development Minister Shirish Bharadwaj as in charge for the Assembly Bipole in Jubbal Kootkhai has taken everyone by surprise. Bharadwaj happens to be the tallest BJP leader in Shimla district, but his discordant relation with the late MLA Narendra Brakta, who died earlier this month, is no secret. The move to appoint Bharadwaj as in charge for the Jubbal Kootkhai Assembly Bipole has raised eyebrows. Narendra Brakta has represented the segment thrice as he won the elections in 1998, 2007 and 2017. Cosmetic firms at Himachal told to stop operation. A cosmetic company at Baddi in the district has been directed to stop operation as it was undertaking manufacturing in the absence of technical persons in violation of the provision of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. An inspection conducted by the drugs inspector on June 15 at Ozone Pharmaceuticals Baddi revealed that the company was manufacturing and testing cosmetics in the absence of technical person in quality control and production. The firm was found not complying with the provision of Scheduled M2 of the Act, said Manish Kapoor, Deputy Drugs Controller cum Licensing Authority. Nepalis thrashed to death at Thiong, body cremated secretly. A case of murder of a Nepali servant and cremating his body in the forest clandestinely has rocked Thiong in Shimla district. The deceased, who was staying with the Shyamlal Lat, a dhaba owner, was reportedly thrashed by the employer and received serious injuries, but he was not admitted to the hospital. He succumbed to the injuries. On June 14, the police received information that a body had been set ablaze in the forest, following which they started investigation and collected forensic evidence and questioned the accused as the body was charred beyond recognition. Arshia win laurels in under 10 chess. 9-year-old Arshia from GAB Public School, Kangra, won an online state-level chess championship organized by the State Chess Ad Hoc Association. She will now lead the state at the national level in July. Amid the pandemic, the All India Chess Organization is conducting online chess competition at the state and national levels. Arshia has been the state champion twice in 2018 and 2019. She has already played one under 7 and one senior national from Himachal Pradesh. Principal Sunil Kant Chadda said the school would honor Arshia for her achievements. Chalked sewerage lines a nuisance in Hamirpur. Chalked sewerage lines and blocked street have become a regular feature in Hamirpur town. One of the manholes in a street of Ward number 6 is without cover for the past many days. Now, the authorities have dug a stretch in the street without informing the residents. People have been forced to stay indoors. 2 women die as debris fall on them in Shimla district. Two women were killed as the rolling stones and debris fell on them near Satkaldi Nala on Narwa Bajathal Road, about 10 km from Narwa in Chopal subdivision of Shimla district on Thursday, while they were on their way to mourn a death in the adjoining village. One of the women, identified as Kamla Devi, 40 years, wife of Gopi Chand, died on the spot, while the other, Shukri Devi, 70-year-old, wife of Panna Lal, succumbed to injuries at Civil Hospital Narwa, while 4 others sustained injuries. The kin of the deceased have been given an immediate relief of Rs 10,000. Calcutta High Court to hear on June 24 Mamta's petition challenging Suvendu's election from Nandigram. The Calcutta High Court on Friday adjourned hearing to June 24 in West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee's petition challenging the election of Leader of Opposition Suvendu Adhikari from Nandigram. The matter was mentioned by Banerjee's lawyer before the court of Justice Kaushik Chanda as per the list of hearing. Justice Chanda asked the petitioner lawyer to serve copies of the election petition to the opposite parties and fix the matter for hearing on Thursday. Petrol crosses Rs 103 in Mumbai, Rs 100 in 4 other states. Fuel prices have reached very close to hitting the century mark all across the country, extending the scope of historic high price that had already made the fuel rate across the Rs 100 per litre mark in certain cities and towns of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. On Friday, the oil marketing companies OMCs raised the price of petrol and diesel between 23 to 30 paise per litre across the 4 metros. Accordingly, the price of petrol increased by 27 paise per litre to Rs 96.93 per litre and diesel by 28 paise per litre to Rs 87.69 per litre. Ghaziabad police sent notice to Twitter India MD, asked him to join probe in Uttar Pradesh assault case. The Ghaziabad police has sent a notice to the Twitter India managing director, asking him to join a probe in the case of involving an assault on a Muslim man here earlier this month, officials said on Friday. Manish Maheshwari has been asked to appear at the Loni border police station here within 7 days to get his statement recorded in the case in which an FIR was lodged against the social media giant also, a police official said. The Ghaziabad police Tuesday booked a Twitter news website The Wire besides some journalists and Congress leaders over the circulation of a video in which the elderly man says he was thrashed and asked to chant Jai Shri Ram on June 5. The police claimed the video was shared to cause communal unrest. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News channel. Thank you.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज. हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ. हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज. हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ. हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज. हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ. हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ.
हेलो हिमाचल हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है।
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquist News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज। हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ। हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ।